Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Overnight, Asia Pacific shares traded higher following optimism on Wall Street's positive earnings. European stocks rose marginally Thursday, following solid gains from the previous session. They were also bolstered by positive sentiment on other global markets. Mid-morning trading saw the Stoxx index rise 0.1%, with major bourses and sectors mixed. After better-than-expected earnings and high consumer confidence, U.S. stock futures fell in early trading Thursday. The U.S. dollar index fell 0.44% to 103.75 in the early hours of Thursday, its lowest level for 7 days. The holiday-thin dollar helped gold edge up. Tight heating oil supplies and a shortage of jet fuel stock caused oil prices to rise. The U.S. marker West Texas Intermediate futures rose 0.64% to $78.79 per barrel. Asian Pacific market. Japan bond market begins to normalize following initial shock. Japan's 10-year bond yield fell to 0.4% on Tuesday after soaring 23 bps on Wednesday and Tuesday to a 2015 high of 0.48%. Markets begin to stabilize following a Bank of Japan shock policy adjustment. The Japanese yen has hovered at or near its highest level against the greenback in recent times. The Australian dollar rose above $0.67 and rebounded further from its one-month lows. Local bond yields surged as the benchmark 10-year Australian yield reached a 6-week high of 3.8%. Market of Europe. According to Reuters, the German government has taken over utility company Uniper. It now holds 99% of the shares. Wednesday's approval by the European Commission of the bailout was announced. The measure is intended to restore the financial position and liquidity at Uniper in this exceptional situation. According to the Office for National Statistics, the UK economy contracted more than initially forecasted in the third quarter 2022. The economic output fell by 0.3% quarter-on-quarter between July and September. This is a decrease in the original 0.2% estimate. The fourth quarter saw a decrease in disposable income for households, which was 0.5%. While the sterling is struggling to fall, the euro is consolidating within yesterday's range. Market of America. Stock futures fell in the early hours of trading on Thursday as traders digested a sharp rally that occurred during the previous session. Investors are awaiting Thursday's earnings results from CarMax as well as jobless claims data. Canada's annual inflation rate fell to 6.8% in November. As the gasoline price rose slower, data from Wednesday showed. This leaves the door open for a second interest rate rise in January. The greenback reacted against the Canadian dollar at the upper border of the support range, which is located around the 1.3575 mark. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.